Alrighty, today we'll be looking at various research tools, and specifically today we'll be looking at the official website for the National Archives. The National Archives is going to be a wonderful research tool for all kinds of American history projects, ranging from the founding of the country to the Revolution all the way to modern times. Through this website, you're going to be able to find various resources through these different tabs. Let's go ahead and click on link, search various veterans records, search your own family history if need be, if that's what you desire. Or if you want to go ahead and you can type in whatever you'd like. Let's say Pearl Harbor. And once we do that, we're going to come up with all kinds of listings here, scholarly articles that we can trust. We see that .gov there at the end. But yeah, no, the National Archives website, great start for your American history projects. Provides all sorts of trusted links. So yeah, where will you begin your research? All you gotta do is a quick search away.